Hello everyone, we have a new and premium design of cabinet handles which is made of aluminum, comes in a variety of shades and sizes. This is durable and compatible for all your furniture designs. We provide best quality available in the market. This piece I'm holding in my hand is black and PVT gold design. It gives premium look to your furniture. This is another shade which is gold and PVT rose gold, which looks very premium, available in many different sizes according to your need. This is a rose gold and CP finish. This model contains the dual tone design